The background has gotten a few soup upgrades, and now you can change the size of the image that you place in the background. This applies to the block. Go to the block and then where the background is and click on image. And what I'll do here is use a smaller image pattern that can be repeated to show you what these new functions are. I'll select this image and you can see it comes in my 600 pixels 1:1 aspect ratio. By default, what Brizy does, it brings in the image in the block and it stretches it so that it can cover the entire block on the left to the right and to the top to the bottom. This is done here with the size controls, and now we have also contain and auto. Going to auto will give you the image in its original state, which is around 600 to 600 pixels. And we know this as we can see we have the white space on the left and the right, as well as the top and the bottom. If you select contain, what it does is it takes the image and stretch it from top to bottom. In most cases, I don't find this very useful, except where you activate the repeat, and that is a new feature here as well. I'll go to auto first, and when I select repeat, you have a seamless repeated background. This is very nice for bringing in small images, small little patterns, and then repeating it, creating really funky backgrounds. The same will happen if you go to contain, just bigger. But also with the new settings for your image sizes, thumbnail, medium, large, you can take more control over this. If I go to medium and I click on it, I'll put it on auto. And now you can see we have a much smaller condensed version. We've scaled it down, but it looks really good. And if you really want a smaller one, you can go for thumbnail and you take control over this. Let's put it on original. And I'll leave it on auto and repeat and show you one little cool feature that you can do here. Go to the overlay, select the color that you want to apply here, reduce the opacity, and a nice little effect for a background.